Hello traders, welcome to the Scalper in Me YouTube channel. This is Tarun Simons, and today we are going to be discussing about the market analysis for this week. So if we look at the Bank Nifty on the weekly time frame, so we have a clear M pattern breakout. Okay, and there is a slight rejection in this at 42,757 levels. So what my view would be, so obviously it is going to be taking a clear retracement, and then it should come and break this and this. So another 1 week, I would say maybe one green candle would be created here, and maybe after that we can see a red candle. So this is the weekly time frame, and when we look at the same in the daily time frame, so clear M pattern here, and then there is a trend line coming from this one. This is here there is a support, here there is a support, and this support has been broken down, and horizontal support and also the vertical trend line has been broken down. So once this is broken, I expect another 2 to 3 days of bullishness here. We have a gap of around 700 points, so we can go for a short uptrend. So majorly the major trend is downtrend, but we can see this is a clear retracement. If we have a gap up, huge gap up, only then we can go ahead and short at the resistance level. If there is a gap down, say maybe this levels, we will take a look at the price action and then short the positions. So one level, major level is 42,098, 41,645. we have a major support. These two are the major support. Here when we come to 15 minutes time frame, here I see a trend line. It is already broken. What my plan of action would be for intraday would be, see, the RSI is already above 60 and the ADX is around 32. There is a strength in the trend, and there is also momentum. So if the market opens somewhere around here, this point, so I'm going to short depending on some M pattern like this. So I can short it, and then I can expect a good move till here. If we have a gap down, say here, somewhere here, or a flat, let's look at the price action first. Let's wait the price to come till the support, which is 42,000. It's also a psychological support, round number. So if we get the price action here, again we'll wait for the reversal W pattern or inverse head and shoulder pattern, and then we can buy the trade and take the first target here and the second target till the top. Or if it opens gap up, and then if it is at the resistance, which is 43,522 is the level, if it breaks, we can go for short positions. Okay, if you look at daily time frame of Nifty, if we look at daily time frame of Nifty, we see a clear head and shoulder pattern, shoulder and a head. So this was in a range. See here, head and shoulder pattern broke down, and here we see a slight retracement, but however this is in the support levels as well. has not broken the major support. So Bank Nifty is kind of broken the major support, and then it is taking a support, psychological support at 42,000. However, Nifty has not completely broken down the support levels, so we need to be very careful here. So depending on Bank Nifty, we have to also look at Nifty as well. So if both are going together, only then we can take a proper trade. Okay, so right now we see if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom to top, here you see we have clear 0.5% support at 18,566 and 18,122. This will be the major levels. So what is my plan in Nifty? So if at all there is a gap down, let's look at 15 minutes once. Okay, if you're looking for a short-term trade, maybe for a scalping or something, here there is a trend line. You can take it till here. So there is a trend line, and I also see a inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Once this breaks and takes a small retracement, and here I'm going to enter the trade and take target till, maybe first target I'll keep it till, say maybe 19,565, and the second target maybe you can keep it till 19,735. This is only when there is a flat opening. Okay, by chance if there is a gap up opening, so I'll wait for a dip, let it come here, take certain sideways movement, and then on the breakout I'll go ahead and take the upside move. Or else upside move I can go ahead and take if it is a gap down. Say, let's say if the gap down is around here, 18,600, 686, somewhere here, I'm not going to take any trade. I'll wait for some price action, whether may it be take a support of 18,570, or from here let it break this trend line and then take a retest, and then after that I'm going to enter the trade. This will be my plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week. Maybe Monday or Tuesday I'm going to be updating every day's market analysis from now on, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into Scalper and Me YouTube channel. Have a nice day.